Welcome everybody once again, it's Express. In today's tutorial, we're going to be quest to find the best text-to-voice artificial intelligence alternatives to the 11 labs. Whether you are a podcaster, YouTuber, or just interested into the artificial intelligence voice technology, join to the right place to discover some groundbreaking tools. So let's unveil the top contenders. Now let's understand 11 Labs. 11 Labs is known for its high-quality, realistic artificial intelligence voice synthesis. So this is go-to for many looking for natural sending text to speech. So I'm going to try to explain this a little bit more. Now, speaking about something, let's say I wanted to do the automatic voice translation for my videos. So usually what you do is just to upload a video in here, choose the language and choose the target audience. You can choose to upload an actual video from YouTube, or what you can do is to just upload your video directly in here. So let's say for example here I have this one and I go into add it automatically, something that we just did before. Now sound source language, you can detect it or go into English. And here let's say for example that I wanted to translate this into Italian, for example, and I'll go into dub it. Now, this is something this technology actually does a really great tool. So if I wanted to look out for an alternative for 11 Labs, I wanted to try to look out for some realistic artificial intelligence voice synthesis. So with all this many looking natural stuff, and of course I needed to don't focus into the money or into my budget. What I want to do is to focus into what it matters the most, which is the resources. So we find two applications that can be helping us to do this for free. One of them is called the Speechify. Now the Speechify do something a little bit related into the 11 Labs. So usually what we used to do here is to try this for free. You can download the voiceover, of course, but the artificial intelligence voiceover generator should be, let's say, easy to use. And the great tool is that we can try this for free. So if I hit it to try for free, the process and the stuff that the artificial intelligence has to offer to us are limited, and a little bit more limited if we wanted to stick around with the free versions. But still, I believe that this one has really great tools. It is stand out for its features. There's a really high quality voices, diverse language options into the Speechify directly. There's a few case studies. You can hire one people here. There are more products to work as into Speechify, for example, the AI Voice Studio, the artificial intelligence avatars and video, and there's of course the audio books. Now you can try all of this directly. Speaking about the try it for free, now you can try all of this directly into your try it for free version. And you can see that you have the new section. You can choose template to get started. There's a voiceover added into your dashboard. Here you can choose a specific voice. There's speaking tone, there's the speed, the add pause, and if I hit into export, usually needed to upgrade to a Studio Basic. So maybe what you can do is to later on share this to a specific link, and then later on I can use this for some other videos. Another alternative that I can give you is called the actual morph.ai. So this once again is known for this great customization options. These are more affordable prices. If you go here into prices, you have the free version and there's the basic version. So this basic version has something, for example, unlimited downloads. There's 16 voices, basic only. There's 10 languages, 24 hours of voice generation, collaborative workspaces, commercial, and you can try it out the free version if you want to see how this actual stuff will work. And if you like what you're listening, if you like what you're seeing, then maybe you can move on into the basic plan that I believe is much more affordable than the actual section of this PGFI. So this is just a few alternatives that I can give you for 11 Labs, just in case you wanted to try out the actual pricing plans. Though the 11 Labs has your first free month for 80% off, which I think is truly awesome. So you can try it out, some great alternatives, or to just use this great discounts for 11 Labs, guys. But that's totally up to you and what you're actually trying to look for. If you wanted to save a little bit of money and try to look out for some alternative ways to work into the artificial intelligence work. You can even work with the actual Canva now that Canva offers you the artificial intelligence text speech. So if you go directly into applications, you can see that we have the Lottie, there's the DALL-E, there's the Shade, there's the avatars, and of course this is a little bit much more affordable than the other tools. This is maybe a little bit more basic, but this is just like a great alternative for you guys who want to try out to save a little bit of money, guys. Thank you for joining us to TechExpress. Stay tuned for more tech revelation and guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and see you on this next great exploration, guys. See you soon.